Guys, Brad here at Blackberry Off-Road, and today we're installing cab-fab rocker armor on my Jeep Gladiator. Now we already got one side installed. I'm gonna show you how you put the other side in. All right, got this side installed. There's the employee of the month, Evan.
Hey.
2 months running. So you see you have lots of rib nuts. They're countersunk. This is your end goal. You must be patient. All right, so what Avery did is he held up the rocker armor right here, marked it in two places with a punch. Now he's got his nice rib nut tool. We're gonna set 2 rib nuts and then mark all the rest of the holes. Now he's thrown 2 in the back, 1 in the front, and he's using the center punch to find the rest of the holes before he drills all the holes and puts the rib nuts in. All right, Avery's got all the nut certs in. Now you're ready to just bolt on. But the trick is, don't tighten them all the way down until you get every bolt in. Now just tighten them one at a time. Take her easy. All right, there's our finished product. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a link in the description to that rib nut tool we use, because it saves a ton of time. There's lots of holes. I highly recommend using some can cut drill bits on this. I'll put a link for that as well. Makes everything faster. When we come back working on this, so in an upcoming video, we're gonna be installing their rock sliders from cab-fab as well, and we'll shoot a video so you can see what those look like. But I'm loving the way this armor looks. You can coat it, color match, you can do whatever you want, but it's a nice piece and it's gonna protect our paint. Thanks for watching, eat your prunes, and we'll be seeing you.